Today is La Crosse's 10th and last Freedom Fest, celebrating veterans and all they've done to serve our country. News 8's Madeline O'Neill has more on the motorcycle rally that kicked off today's events this morning.
Sarah, just like Freedom Fest has become a tradition here in La Crosse, so has the motorcycle rally and rise starting in the Veterans Hall of Honor parking lot. Riders say it brings a sense of camaraderie, and for Gold Star families who have lost a loved one in service to our country, the rally has extra meaning.
Motorcycles, veterans, I think it's been a natural fit forever.
About 200 riders, many with family members who are veterans or who have served the country themselves, all gearing up for a 100-mile ride through the Coulee region.
I feel honored to be here with all the vets. They're my friends.
It's just a chance for us to thank them.
I just like the freedom.
That freedom is at the heart of the day's celebrations.
We live in a country where we are able to do things like this.
Of course, as many here know, that freedom comes at a price.
We consider that our son. It's an Army bear.
Colleen Lemke, her husband, and their ride-along passenger are annual visitors to the ride and rally.
A few tears, a little bit of laughter.
Lemke's son died in Iraq in 2008.
Corporal Jason Lemke.
And some days, of course, you wish they were home.
Since then, she's added a necklace
It never comes off.
and tattoos.
Jason loved roses.
Just a reflection of how different life is now.
Your whole outlook on life changes. Certain things that used to bother you no longer bother you.
But support comes in seemingly unlikely places. Like here at a motorcycle rally, where there are other Gold Star families.
You feel kind of proud, but yet a little bit of sorrow knowing what we're riding for today. But you have a connection with everybody around you. A little bittersweet.
Bittersweet, a word many are using here, with the knowledge that with Freedom Fest ending, this will likely be the final ride.
Sorry to hear that this is the last one.
But riders say they'll make the most of it.
Oh, yes.
Today we'll just celebrate today.
And they'll always be celebrating this country's freedom.
Not a freedom being outside and just enjoying the ride.
Now, gates opened at the UW La Crosse Veterans Memorial Field Sports Complex at 4:30 tonight for the live music, which will include the Remainders and John Fogerty. General admission tickets cost $60 at the door.
All right, thank you, Maddie. Since Freedom Fest began, it has raised more than $500,000 for veteran causes.